Hi Drawset Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rainbow cookie, so let's get started. To draw this cookie, let's first start by drawing the outside of the cookie. And because I want it to be homemade, I'm just going to freehand the outside of it. So I'm just going to start right here and just start these curves. And I'm just going to go all the way around, creating these curves. But if you're not comfortable creating this circle using these curves, definitely get a circle template. And you can just lightly draw in the circle first and then just go around it to create these curves. Or you can just have a very round cookie without these curves. It's all up to you. But I just thought it'd be nice to have these ridges on this cookie since we're drawing clouds at the bottom. So almost there. And one more. Yay! Kind of wobbly, but it's homemade, right? Okay, so I'm going to come say about in this area towards the bottom, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to follow these curves I've made to start to draw my cloud. And about right here, I'll stop. But the same level on the other side. And then from there, I'm going to start to connect the top of my cloud. So I'm just going to go randomly, small and big curves here and there. It doesn't really matter, to create my poofy soft cloud and connect. Okay, so then now to draw the rainbow. So I'm going to come in right here, come in a little bit, and I'm just going to create a huge curve around. So I'm going to start on the outside and I'm just going to follow my cookie all the way. Maybe I should have drawn a little bit smaller since these curves are not easy at all to make it when you're drawing pretty big, but I will try my best. Okay, so now I have the outside curve. So then I'm using this curve as my guide. I'll just kind of come right here in the center and use that. I'll just wing it. Doesn't really matter. Here, right here in the center. I have another curve for the inside. Okay, so now to create 6 different colors in here. So 6 stripes is what we're going to create. And to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to draw the center line first. So I'll just say about right here. And I'm going to end up about right here at the center. So here we go. Okay, this is scary, right? So if you're at home, definitely use a pencil if you can, if you have one, and definitely turn your paper. Okay, something like that. If I make boo-boo here, I can just go in there with my whiteout, so. All right, that's okay. That's pretty good. Okay, so then now to create 3 colors in here. So I'll just go ahead and start and break this up into 3 stripes right here. And I did say this is a homemade cookie, right? And that's why it's extra cute, because it's not perfect. Okay, wow. Okay. This stripe is really thick at the top right there, but that's okay. All right, so now we have our 6 stripes in. Yay, we did it. Okay, so now we can bring our cookie to life. So in this area right here in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle. And another one about right here. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights. And a curve line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Kind of muddle it up a little bit, huh? Because it's kind of small. Okay, so same thing over here. And I want to thank you, cuties, for all your love and requests for more and more rainbow stuff. We can never get enough of rainbows, right? I love them too. Okay, so we have the eyes in. So then let's come to the top of each eye. I'm just going to draw a small curve above each eye. And then right in between the eyes, we're going to put a little curve for a sweet smile and cap it off. Yay. Okay, so then now let's come to the side here since we have some space, and I'm going to add some hearts at different angles just to decorate it a little bit more. Maybe one more. It's all up to you. But I hope this really inspires you. Maybe one more right here. Okay, so then if you want, another thing you could add is some sparkle to this rainbow. So since I have so much space right here, I'm going to come in here and put in a sparkle. So it's just two curves and two curves connected. Maybe we can add one here. Trying to figure out where I can put it without having to erase my line. So then maybe one more here. Here. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Very simple little colorful sweet cookie inspired by you. Thank you for all the requests, and hope you love this cookie and I've made it fun for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.